Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to cover the current market situation and analyze several altcoins that are on my radar right now. I will walk you through my technical analysis, discuss what we can expect in the short term and share specific targets I'm considering. If you are looking for potential trade setup, this video is for you. Let's start off with Bitcoin. Ideally we want to understand the macro trend, so I'm going to ignore the lower time frames for now. Instead we will analyze the price action on the 1 day and 1 week chart to identify the major levels and long-term direction. First of all, we can observe grab of buy side liquidity here after this break of market structure and good reaction in short. Now price is trading in our key zone 1 week imbalance. If there will be no reaction, my target will be this sell side liquidity. But if you will start making order flow like this, our first trouble area will be this imbalance. All will be depend from this imbalance. If it will be reaction, it will be continuation of our short. If no reaction, it will be long to next trouble area. So first of all, it all depends from this imbalance. If reaction, then our trouble area is this. If no reaction, our target is this sell side liquidity. So guys, now let's analyze Ethereum. Here we can see a beautiful sweep of liquidity here on all-time high. After this we can observe beautiful reaction in short. On lower time frames this is order flow. Sweep of liquidity. Reaction, again sweep of liquidity. Reaction, price filling imbalance. Again grab of liquidity, confirmation, price again sweeping, again filling imbalance, and confirmation. So now guys, you can enter on the short. Now we are trading in our key zone in this imbalance. The situation is similar to Bitcoin. If there will be no reaction from this imbalance, I will wait price in these levels, like this liquidity. This will be my target. But if I will see the order flow like this, I will wait price in this point. So guys, now all depends on this imbalance. No reaction, price will be here. If there will be reaction, I will wait price in this key zone. Very interesting situation we can observe on Solana. Here you can see beautiful grab of liquidity here. After this, price again sweep liquidity. And we have inversion of our imbalance. Then price have beautiful reaction from our target. And we have retracement to our premium zone, as you can see. After retracement we have sweep of liquidity, inversion of our imbalance here. After this good short, our target will be at first this liquidity, but it already smashed. So it's done. Another target this liquidity. I expect retracement to this zone. After this, building liquidity in our point of interest, grab of all liquidity and reaction, test, and order flow to our target. It will be so nice. The next interesting coin is Doggy, also short context. Here we can see sweep of liquidity, retracement to our order block, reaction, confirmation, price leaving imbalance here. After this we have retracement to our imbalance, also grab of liquidity, break of market structure, perfect reaction in short, and price also leaving equal lows here, as you can see. Let's move on lower time frame, 1 day time frame. Here we can also see order flow, sweep of liquidity, price filling imbalance here, sweep of this liquidity, break of market structure, reaction in short, price leaving imbalance. After this, fill it, beautiful reaction in short, confirmation, sweep of liquidity here also. So our target is this equal lows. I expect to see continuation of our order flow like this. It can't be so perfect, so it can be also like this. But price will smash this target 100%. Very similar situation to Dogecoin we can also observe on ADA and SPX. First of all, let's analyze ADA Cardano. Beautiful grab of liquidity here. After this, sweep of liquidity, reaction. Here we can see accumulation of the price, manipulation here, and distribution. Price also left equal lows here, so it will be our target. On lower time frame it's also order flow, like on Doge was. You can see here. Sweep of liquidity, confirmation, beautiful reaction in short, price also filling imbalance here, as you can see, and here also sweep of liquidity, confirmation, and beautiful reaction in short. So our target on ADA Cardano is this point. Let's move to SPX. Weekly time frame. I think this is that coin. We see a beautiful manipulation here, sweep of liquidity here, reaction, our target here. Will be good to see like retracement to this imbalance or this order block, and there take short. Let's move on lower time frame. Also order flow, price leaving imbalance, fill imbalance, also here leaving imbalance, also fill imbalance, sweep of liquidity, and target this low. Now let's analyze third coin. If SPX looking dead, third coin as for me is already dead. Here you can see sweep of liquidity, retracement to our premium zone. Then manipulation here, price filling imbalance here, and sweep target was done. Now let's move on lower time frame. Here is very interesting situation. Beautiful order flow, one of the best. Look. Sweep of liquidity. Confirmation of our short structure. Again sweep of liquidity. Again we see confirmation. Test of our order block. After this, again confirmation, and now price filling this imbalance. So our target will be this low. I'm expect to see situation like this. It will be perfect, as for me. And the last coin which I want to analyze, this is Uniswap coin. So let's start. Here we can see beautiful sweep of liquidity. After this reaction, inversion of our imbalance here, test of our imbalance. After this, sweep of all this liquidity. But what need to say that we left this equal lows. So if price will not show us the strength, and I will not see the situation like this, my target will be this low. So need to see the reaction from this point. If no reaction, our target this. If there will be a break of market structure here, our target will be this and this. So guys, now I don't recommend to buy any coins. If we will have reaction on Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can buy this coin on spot, but not other.